All right, guys, but before we actually put this car up for sale, we have lots of work to do. As you notice, the rims are dirty again. It needs a wash. I don't even want to touch this, but it needs a wash. So we're gonna wash it, take care of the rocker moldings. There's some covers on the radiator that it needs. The tail lights, they're not working, so I got to work that out right now. The signal lights, the bulbs, there's a bunch of stuff that I have yet to connect and work with. So we're gonna take care of that right now and then give it a wash. This thing's just dirty, man. Look at this. So we're gonna get this car cleaned up, give it a good wash, full interior clean, and get it ready for sale. Just a quick detail. It looks much better, man. All right, guys, so with this video I will conclude the series on the S197. The car has been sold. We have the young gentleman coming out here maybe today or tomorrow to pick it up. The car sold. I will be doing a video on it, of how much I sold it for, what was invested, how much did I make. That's gonna be the next video, so make sure y'all subscribe, turn the post notifications on, get updates on it. Yeah, man, this car was super clean. I'm excited of the outcome. We didn't make as much as we thought we would, but we still made some money, so that's what counts. It doesn't matter if you make $1,000, $100. If you make money off of it, it's a win all day. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be doing more content on it. I know I promised it was going to be a turbo build, but we have something very, very, very special coming up to this channel, you know, so y'all don't want to miss out on that. Like, honestly, y'all don't want to miss out. It's gonna be one of the craziest builds I've ever done. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it, you know, and I'll see y'all on the next one.